What is up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. It's me, Raspreet, and I know it's been a very long time since we had a tech unboxing and a quick review on this channel, and today I have with me Levoit Core Mini air purifier. So let's get into it. So it's a really mini cardboard box. Is this little cutie. Really nice. It's got this matte finish. And inside that we got the power cable, a little bit of instruction manuals and stuff. But yeah, that's about it. So I guess this is literally one of the smallest air purifiers available online right now to purchase. Now inside, it's really thick filter that has 3 layers. The outside has the pre-filter. In the middle, we get a H13 HEPA filter. And right inside there is our activated carbon layer for harmful gases and VOCs, whatever it is. So it's all pretty much compact into this. Speaking of these replacement filters with competitive brands or air purifiers of a similar class, if you look at the IKEA for Nuftig, I believe you get a replacement filter set at about 1500 rupees. And in this case, for the Levoit Core Mini, you're gonna have to splash out close to 1000 rupees. But on the overall, I do feel like the Levoit looks way more fancier, way more cooler than IKEA's offering. So in terms of the controls, they're fairly simple. Right out here, we have our power button that cycles through the 3 different fan speeds. And on the top is our air filter check indicator whenever you need to replace it or it needs a little bit of cleaning. You also get a nice little option out here to add in some kind of aromatherapy oils and simply get some more fragrance out of the air purifying system. And that's pretty much it. Now in terms of performance, it does have a clean air delivery rate of 78 cubic meters per hour. Now that does not really seem a lot, but where it's meant to work is in small rooms. So let's say if it is a 180 square feet room, you could expect it to filter out the air of that room and give you clean air in 30 minutes. In terms of the noise that it generates, at the lowest speed, it is at about 25 decibels, which is very quiet. You pretty much cannot hear a thing. I myself keep it at the level 2 setting in speed, where you do get a mild sound, but that really blends in if you have the air conditioner on in your room. And at level 3, instant purification, like I told you, like make it work the hardest, that's where it gets noisier. Pros on the product would be that it's compact, lightweight. You can pretty much fit it anywhere in the room and it would just simply look great. Also, the fact that it has a genuine activated carbon filter is a major plus point because it really deals with all those harmful gases and VOCs. The cons now, I really feel the replacement filters could have been cheaper than being, half the price, almost half the price of the literal air purifier out here. I also feel that maybe if it had an AQI display, it would have just been the complete package. So finally, this right here is not looking to replace the big boys out there in the market at all. But for a small room setup, is one of the best, compact, efficient air purifiers out there in the market right now. I'll see you soon.